Bonjour tout le monde! I am Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French without the headache. So today I am very excited to invite you to my very special event, my free live class. I cannot wait. This class will help you supercharge your vocabulary. So what does that mean? It means that you will learn more French words, more vocabulary. And the reason why you struggle with putting sentences together and having conversations is because you do not know enough words or you do not know those words well enough. Because it's really important for you to know words if you want to have conversations. So I have a question for you. How many words do you think you need to know to be able to speak French and be fluent? Give me a number. 100 words, 500 words, 10,000 words. The answer is around 3,000 words. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's doable. And I really want to help you get there. So that's why I am inviting you to this free live class so we can work together. During this live class, I am going to teach you how to learn 100 words per day and memorize them for good. And on top of that, I will also teach you the useful phrases that you need for conversations. So you don't have to think about it and you can just use those phrases. Perfect. But that's not all. I will give you prizes. All the students who are attending the class live will receive my audiobook. Yes, you are receiving an audiobook. 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 You all get an audiobook. So once again, you can learn more new phrases for conversations. Also, for all the students attending, you will receive discounts on the entire website for my French course, Pearl's Classroom, but also my pronunciation course. But that's not all. You will automatically be enrolled in my giveaway. Yes, 2 lucky winners are going to win 6 private lessons each with me. One-on-one coaching, one-on-one tutoring, because I know that one-on-one tutoring can be extremely expensive. So I want to make sure that I give away those prices so you can keep learning French and improving. Wow. That's a lot. I am giving away a lot of prizes because I know you are busy. And for you to take the time to attend my class, come and learn with me means a lot. And I really want to reward you for taking time to learn French, to join me. So remember, all you have to do is to attend. So if you want to register for my free live class, please click the link down below. You will get all the information. And if you have any questions, comment down below.